Hello, hello, hello. So you're taking care of your face, you're taking care of your neck, you're taking care of your hands. But guess what you might be forgetting? That you also need to pay attention to the lips. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to show you how you can make your own lip scrub at home. This lip scrub is hydrating, it's moisturizing, and it's good for dry, cracked lips. It will help to get rid of the dead skin on the lips and leave the lips just plump and softer. So if you're looking for a lip scrub that is going to work immediately on your lips, look no further, guys. Just follow me to my kitchen. I'll share the recipe with you, and I will also show you how to use this lip scrub on your lips for best result. Now today we're going to be making our lip scrub, and our base for the scrub is going to be sugar. I'm going to be blending two types of sugar. I'm going to be using some white sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar. And I'm also going to be using some brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now when I'm making my personal lip scrub, I like mixing the two sugars together. Now if you only have one of either or either, go ahead and just use 2 tablespoons. So now that we have both in the bowl, I like to mix them together, totally uniforming the brown and the white sugar. And now that this is done, let's move on to our next ingredient. My next ingredient is coconut oil, and the main benefit of coconut oil to the lips is its moisturizing effect. This makes it ideal for chapped lips. So I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Pouring this in. Now, other benefits of coconut oil, it's that it is antibacterial and antimicrobial, and this will also help to benefit cracked lips. My next ingredient is jojoba oil, and jojoba oil forms a protective barrier over dry, cracked lips and help to lock the moisture and also leave them feeling soft and smooth. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of the jojoba oil. We're pouring this in. Now our next ingredient is honey, and honey contains antibacterial properties, making it amazing for cracked lips. Honey also helps to exfoliate dead skin cells from the lips and leave the lips soft and supple. So I'm going to be using a half a teaspoon of the honey, pouring this in. And now we're mixing all the ingredients together. So we're mixing brown sugar, white sugar, we're mixing coconut oil, we're also mixing jojoba oil, and we are also mixing some honey. Now once this is done, we have an optional ingredient, and here we have some dried orange and lemon peel powder. To get dried orange and lemon peel, simple peel your orange, your lemon, put away the peel to dry. Once dry, just blend and you get orange lemon peel powder. Now this is optional, guys. However, it's high in vitamin C, and it also helps to give the lip scrub an amazing lemony fragrance. Now I'm using just a 1/4 teaspoon of the orange lemon powder. Pour this in. And now let's mix everything together. Now you want to mix, and you want to mix well. You can even choose to add a little bit of a peppermint to this recipe. If you do not have jojoba oil, use the oil you have. An amazing oil for this lip scrub is also some papaya seed oil. Now once this is done, let's reach for our container. And we're just going to scoop this in. And take a look, guys. This is it. So to use the lip scrub, you simply take a little of the scrub. You really do not need a lot. And you're going to use it to exfoliate your lips in circular motion, preferably. Once this is done, just rinse off, preferably with some cold water, pat dry the lips, and apply a little oil or a little lip gloss, okay? So there you have it. Go ahead, guys. Give this lip scrub a try. Use it on your lips, and the very first time you use it, you're going to see amazing results, so you don't even have to guess if it's going to work on your lip. Now, guys, if this was the first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, I like to read the comments, so comment. What is it that you would add to this recipe, and what is it that you would take away? Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.